I started to withdraw from my social circles a little bit, wasn't as engaged with other people or any activity really. Lost a huge amount of motivation, which was a bit of a pain because I was, until that point, a reasonably good student. After going to spend a lot of time with the school counsellor and missing more classes than I was going to eventually, they sent me off to a psychologist in town. They asked me a heap of questions and did a few tests and came back and told me I had major depressive disorder. When it gets really bad, you stop putting an effort into your day-to-day activities, like just taking care of yourself. It was very difficult to go look for help, not only because men in general don't, they tend to keep it to themselves and that sort of thing, but it's very difficult to open up to any of your mates about that sort of thing. What I found easier was not actually speaking to a friend about it, speaking to a total stranger, someone like a school counsellor or a social worker or something like that. I know a lot of people are scared of medication and that sort of thing. Give it a go. If your medication isn't working, go back to your doctor, let them know what it is doing to you and what it isn't, or where it is you want to go, because they can sort of tailor it. It's a really good idea with people's ever-dwindling attention spans to just condense all this information into something that's easily engageable. Because not everybody wants to read a 20-page essay on this given subject, and it does make it a bit more personal, a bit more relatable. When you ride, you hear everything, you see everything, you pay so much attention to everything that's going on around you. The sights, you can smell everything. Everything you do is just amplified. You pay so much more attention. I'm not going to say I quit drinking, but I definitely don't abuse it anymore. Joined a gym, trained with one of the guys I went to school with. Sort of helped me out, got me started on that sort of thing. It was a big help. But even getting slightly healthy in that regard does make a difference to your mental health. You do feel better.